Silence is part of the journey. Silence is not something to be feared. If you're currently in silence with your twin flame, this is when you are being invited in to grow. The twin flame journey is a journey that is an expansion of your very being, of your conscious frequency. And so if you are in silence right now, you are now being asked and invited to dive deeper into your wounds. And let's face it, on this journey, those wounds will be activated. Those wounds will be ripped open. And you can try and stick sticky plasters all over them, trying not to look within, trying not to see the triggers, and just getting on with the day with a smile. But that's not the truth of the journey. Your soul magnetized in because you were ready at a soul level to awaken. So you can avoid, you can distract, you can try and do anything to avoid feeling. But this journey is a journey of feeling. It is a journey of deep feeling. It is a journey of mastering that nervous system that will be triggered so deeply in those first separations, where you will feel that you are just crushed on the floor, where you are screaming and crying out in so much pain that you didn't even know was within you. But what is really truly happening? You're not crying for another person. You believe you are at the beginning. Is that you are now going through a complete identity collapse. You are now in dark night of the soul, an ego death. And those silences are when you go deep within, where you hear the whispers of your soul, where you learn how to regulate your nervous system, where you learn how to integrate that beautiful solar plexus, where you start to do the deep inner work. And yes, your core wounds will rise, but it's about observing them and seeing them, not spiritually bypassing, so when those triggers rise, do not spiritually bypass. Do not try and distract and avoid, but instead go, I welcome you. I welcome you. I bring you in. And I observe what is rising within me. Because when I no longer fear it, when I no longer run from it, when I stare it in the face and go, okay, where is this taking me deeper? I am not going to see you as an obstacle. I'm going to welcome you in. That feeling of not being enough, that feeling of being abandoned, that fantasy energy that I sit in a dreamy energy over my twin, I'm going to move that. I'm going to shift that. I'm going to transcend that and know that, yes, I'm awoken. I'm awoken on this journey. My twin came in and activated me. But it's beyond the label twin flames. This is a soul's journey. And your soul is now showing you where you need to go deeper in. So every time your divine masculine triggers you, instead of running, instead of distracting, sit there. Sit in that energy and feel into it, knowing that you are not the pain. You are simply the observer, and the pain is really your guiding light, taking you deeper into self. Because in those sacred pauses, that is when the energy upgrades. And as you are shifting, automatically your divine masculine is shifting. Often I will see people, and I saw it recently, people were saying, so this is not fair. Divine masculine gets to do nothing and we do all the hard work. That's not how the journey works. You are the spiritual twin as the divine feminine. So you are learning how to alchemize the energy in the 3 higher chakras. Divine masculine, they anchor the energy in. Their work is a lot more in the 3D. So their relationships, having to stand in their truth, stand in their power, open their throat chakra, their work, their addictions, where they have avoided all those feelings. Often people will say, oh, my twin flame isn't avoidant. That is part of the journey. They're not an avoidant. That's a relationship. That's a relationship label. Of course they're avoidant. You are both avoiding what is being triggered within. Get past the labels. Get past seeing it from that point of view and go, this is a journey, a deep journey, which is a soul's journey. And everything which is rising me is guiding me deeper to align with soul. This is not about distraction. This is not about labels. This is a deeply sacred journey back to truth, back to soul alignment. And when you start to align with soul, guess what? Soul attracts soul. The soul does the work on the journey. Where you are in polarity, duality is in the mind and ego and the bodies, but the soul is already oneness. The soul is a singularity frequency. If you're really wanting to shift on this journey and do the deep inner work, the truth of the journey, we have just started detox today. It started this morning, only a couple of hours ago. You can come and join, and for the next 30 days, we support you every single day, showing you step by step by step how to shift the journey, get out of the endless searching, get out of the endless pain of believing that this journey is happening to you and that your divine masculine is or isn't doing something to you. This is a journey beyond that. This is a journey of coming into true inner union, because from inner union, outer union can come in. Remember, this is all about your energy and your frequency. Shift the frequency and the energy, and the journey starts to change. If you're ready to shift, then Detox is started. You can join either through my Twin Flame course or Awaken to Consciousness. They're both on my website, which is the 3Ws catsacredsoul.com. You will find it on there. And if you'll see that there's a Twin Flame course. You will then click on that, go into that page, and you will see there's either the course, which then gives you access to 30-day detox, or you can just join Awaken to Consciousness. Both will take you to the same point, but the Twin Flame course gives you lifetime access. So you learn how to balance that energy and frequency as you're moving along the journey. This is a soul's journey. It's not about focusing on the distortion, and a lot of information out there is focused on the distortion energy, the false light. This is a deeply sacred journey to you. And when you align with soul, your divine masculine aligns with soul. I send you so much love, and I look forward to welcoming you into 30-day detox, which starts today, and we go for the next 30 days. So you are prepared for 2026, because 2026 is not a shedding energy, it's a forward moving frequency. Fast and powerful energy. I send you much love. Many blessings.